Hello, how are you?
Yes, ma'am. I'm doing well. I'm fantastic. So, what about you?
I'm also doing great. Thanks for asking. So, since we are meeting very first time, I would like to know about yourself. So, please introduce.
Okay, my name is Mustakin, and I'm from Bangladesh. I'm student. I'm studying honors. I have completed my study recently. And if I talk about my hobbies, I love reading books, gardening, and recently I love too much to learn English language. Yeah, that's all about.
Wow, that's great. And I must relate my hobby to your hobbies because I'm also having the same hobbies.
Okay, it's great. It's great. So, ma'am, uh, if you want, you can also introduce yourself. I think it's also good for me.
Okay.
I don't.
So, my name is Sapna Raghuvanshi and I'm from UP, Jaunpur. You know UP?
No, ma'am. I don't know too much. I'm just
Hindi
listen this.
language. It's in India.
Yeah, I know India, but it's I don't know more than. I just know about this.
So it's a state in India, and by profession, I'm private school teacher as well as homemaker. Simultaneously, I'm running YouTube channel for learning English communication only. So that's all about me.
Oh, it's
So
great for me. I am talking with a teacher. It's fortune
uh,
for me.
it's completely my pleasure. And as you said before starting the recording that your English is not good, but I must say your English is quite good. You are looking
Thank.
so much
I
comfortable,
feel
and yes. So
little
tell
bit.
me, not little bit. We all are here for sounding confident. And if we are feeling confident in English, it means we are fluent English speaker, not little bit. We are fluent a lot. So consider yourself that you are so much fluent. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So I would love to know something about your journey, English journey. Like when did you start learning English communication? And is there any special reason to have this communication skill, or you are learning only for your passion?
Yeah, ma'am. I have been learning this language more than 1 year, and no, I don't have any another specific reason. But I already mentioned you, I'm not good at English, so that's why I feel fascinated to learn this language. And right now in the whole world, I think everyone should learn this language because it's an international language.
Yes, yes, you are right. So you are from Bangladesh, so your mother tongue must be Bengali.
Yeah, ma'am. And recently I have started a book and it's named Atomic Habits.
Oh wow, that's great. So now I'm super duper excited just because I'm going to talk to a person who is reading Atomic Habit. Because I have heard from lots of good and advanced speaker. They are just suggesting to read this book, but I'm not having that one like Atomic Habit. Habit. I its name Atomic Habit.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. So tell me something about that book. Is it interesting?
Yeah, ma'am, it's interesting. I didn't read lots of, but I am just started. I have just started. So maybe, yeah, it's quite interesting. I feel right now.
Okay. So just tell me something means what have you learned from that book?
Mm,
Uh, which type of things are available in that book? I think it's related to habit.
yeah, it's related.
So are you also getting any positive and a good lesson from that book?
Yeah.
So if you have something in your mind from that book, so please just share. Don't feel pressurized. If you have, so share. If you don't have, so don't worry.
Okay, I learned lots of, but I can't explain it properly.
Okay, so no problem. Let it be. So tell me something about your
I
family.
will explain it. I will explain it because I already started to read this book. So obviously I can explain this book. I will call you another time and I will explain this book.
That's great. So next time I will be waiting for this.
Yeah, sure, man, sure.
Okay.
So you already said you also bought some books. So which type of books have you bought?
Yes, actually, I'm having lots of books. So one book's name is uh, You Can Win. You Can Win by Sue Khera. And also, I'm having three books of Sudha Murthy ma'am, wise and otherwise, and how I taught my grandmothers. And one is, I think, The Magic of Lost Temple. But I'm just having lots of books: Rich Dad, Poor Dad, The Power of Positive Thinking, and Alchemist also. Whenever I'm reading that book, so I'm feeling myself so much positive and energetic, and like, yes, I can do anything, whatever I want. This type of positive feeling, automatically it start coming inside me. And I also must say about Sudha Murthy's ma'am book. It's also very interesting. Personally, in initial day, if someone want to read, so they should try to read that book, Sudha Murthy's ma'am books, because it's very interesting, and there's lots of chapter, interesting chapter. That's why.
Okay, it's great. It's fantastic. So if I talk about like this, I already said you mentioned you. I am so passionate to reading books, and you are also. So importance of reading books. How can you explain it? It is good or bad?
First of all, I must say this is a wonderful topic that you have chosen. Importance of reading books. So book is something that is providing us good things, good ideas. And also this is just like our real and best friend. If we are reading book, it means just we are releasing all the stress and any type of tension. If we are reading book, it means we are just getting lots of good things. And also we can just search the whole world in the book sometime. So
Yeah.
book is something that is opening the door of knowledge for each and everyone. So reading book, it's a best habit, good habit for each and everyone.
Okay, ma'am. So when you read lots of books, so you couldn't remember everything. So why you need to lots of books?
When I started learning, before that day, I never ever read any book. And after means coming on this platform, whenever I get to know from each and everyone, like, yes, in your initial day, if you want to improve your English, enhance your English, so you have to read books, because reading is something that is always just providing us good fluency if we are reading something aloud in English.
Yeah, ma'am. Have you read Alchemist book? Have you read?
Yes, Alchemist, I have read only 4 5 pages, not a lot.
It's great. You know, I have another friend. He also suggests me to read Alchemist book.
It's a interesting book, I must say. Whenever just I'm reading Sudha Murthy's ma'am book, so I'm feeling so much comfortable, just because there's a small chapter. So this is my bad habit, I can say. Whenever I'm finding any lengthy chapter, so I started feeling bored. That's why I just skipped all the books and reading all the books. So I started uh, finish this one, just because in this book, You Can Win, there's lots of point wise, heading wise, like how can you win. So there's lots of positive and motivational things. And it is providing heading wise. That's why sometimes I'm reading just one heading, sometimes two headings, so 1 2 pages I'm reading, like this.
Okay, so
And for the last 7 8 days, I think I have not been reading. Just I mentioned, I'm so much busy in some other work.
okay, so ma'am, you know, sometimes I feel disappointed because of my English purpose. Like I'm not able to speak very well. So sometimes I feel disappointed. So like when I try to think in English, so I feel very bad. So you can give me some suggestion. You already started to read this book, Power of Thinking. So how can I improve my thinking power?
Yes, this is as you are mentioning that sometime you are feeling disappointed. So why you are feeling disappointed? Just because you are having self doubt, as you are saying that my English is not good. But only you are thinking like this, that your English is not good. I am not thinking. Look, I'm another person in front of you, and I am considering you as a fluent English speaker because you are speaking good English. Literally, I'm not flattering you, I'm just appreciating you just because you
Thank you.
deserve appreciation. But sometime in my initial day, I was also having the same quality. I was only having inadequacy inside me, inferiority means whenever I was going to talk to anyone, so I was just thinking like, yes, the person before me is better than me, I'm not good at all, so like this. So that's why I'm telling that when I started reading that book, You Can Win. So by reading that book, I just got lots of motivation. Like, yes, first of all, we should try to recognize our self, our worth. Like, yes, we are good. And if there's any shortcoming inside us, and if we are able to recognize our shortcoming, so this is also best thing for us. We should try to work upon that. And sometimes, yes, this is the biggest barrier that is just pulling us behind always. So never try to think these type of things, and never try to get yourself down. Always, first of all, just respect yourself. If you respect yourself, only then you will get respect from others. If you are having this type of self doubt, so just suppose the in this case only, you will feel yourself embarrassed and also awkward in front of anyone. And sometime, yes, I was also facing the same problem in my initial day. Means I was considering that each and every person in this world means is better than me. I am the worst in everything. I was thinking like this, and especially in English. But when I realized, like, no, I am also having something. If I want to speak English, so I can speak, I can learn. And so don't compare yourself with anyone. First of all, just feel yourself that you are good English speaker, and you are having good fluency. So like this.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Self belief, yes, this word was not coming in my mind. So as you are having self doubt, so just cast it away out of your mind, okay? And just replace this word like self doubt with the best word self belief. So this is the thing. So I also realized, means no one is perfect. So every means each and everyone is having shortcoming, any type of shortcoming, but everyone is having. So, but yes, we should try to focus on our quality, not on shortcoming only.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you very much. You give me some suggestion, and some motivation. Thank you very much for your.
Yes, you can do anything you want. Only just you have to have self belief. You can do it. So always think positive and just go ahead. Wherever you want, means wherever you want to go with positive attitude. If you have
Okay.
one positive attitude, so you will also find that all the people will ready to respect you, and also this just give you priority.
Sure.
So now just tell me something about your family. How many members are there in your family? How many siblings do you have?
Yeah, I came from a big family, and I have five brothers and three sisters. Almost eight siblings. I have.
Okay, so you are having 8 siblings.
Yeah.
So and I think someone got married also.
Yeah. My first two younger brother got married, and my younger sister also.
Okay, so are you enjoying with your uh, like siblings? Because
Yeah.
most
Sure.
of the siblings, they are just fighting a lot, fighting like cats and dogs.
Yeah, I can understand. But sometimes fighting because some reason. But still now everything is okay.
So there's also love behind this fighting.
And every brothers and sisters, we have loved each other very well, and we
Yes,
can understand well everything.
that's great.
When you read lots of book, one book, you didn't remember everything, but you getting something new knowledge. Your brain will be sharp, and if you read another book, so at that time you also get another knowledge. So that is the main point for my side. So if you read lots of books, you need you get some new things, new knowledge, new ideas will come on your mind. So that is the most important for everyone and importance of learning books, reading books.
Yes, you are right. Means whenever we are reading one page, just suppose, so if we are not able to get or gain the whole page, but yes, at least we are getting some points, like some new words and some sentences.
Sorry, ma'am, I couldn't hear your voice. Maybe
Yes, I can also hear something. I think it's namaz is going on.
going on, yeah.
I can hear the sound.
So, okay, ma'am, another time we will talk again. Okay, okay, ma'am. Thank you very much. It's very good conversations for me. Thank you. Bye.
Same here. I also enjoyed a lot. Nice to talk with you. Bye bye.
Bye,
Take
bye.
care.